Welcome back to another video. In this one, we're going to go over the top 7 penny stocks to buy right now. And in this one, I'm only going to give you 4. If you want all 7, you have to subscribe to the Patreon. But I'm going to give you 4 in this one. Top 4 of mine. Extra 3 are going to be on the Patreon. This is how I'm going to pretty much do things from here on out. And yeah, without further ado, let's get started. As you can see, they are on the screen already. In my notes, top 7 stocks to buy right now. And we're going to start with Genius Group Ltd. on the New York Stock Exchange at GNS. Its nickname, Genius Group Ltd. It's an entrepreneurial education group. I could put that in right here. Let me update that. If I put GNS, Genius Group Ltd, as you can see right here. And most of you will look at this and be like, oh yeah, look, it's going down, it's decreasing, it's facing a downward trend, it's downtrending. But that is the time to buy a stock. It is an entrepreneur education group with 4.3 million students in over 200 countries. So as you can see, it has worldwide outreach. The trend will ascend with new support. It is going to form a new support very soon, based off the numerology we are going to go over now. As you can see, it's already started with the support, as you can see on the screen right now. Monday, the January 29th, look out for that. It may even increase even further throughout the day. This is something you don't want to trade right now, because it does have potential to boom. Trade it after it uptrends significantly. But let's do the numerology real quick. The new support began on 13-date numerology, and that is January 12th. The new support came on January 12th. Let's go to the January 12th. You can see right here, Friday, January 12th, began a new support. Friday. That was the first business day before MLK weekend, which is why we didn't have a Monday. On the stock market, they go off the same rules as any other government institution. And GNS equals 13. Their abbreviation. GNS equals 13 and 41. 41 is the 13th prime number. Keep that in mind. And it started on the 12th. '12th is 13-date numerology. 1 plus 12 is 13. GNS 13 and 41, the 13th prime number. And Genius Group Ltd. Equals 224. What year is it? 2024. Let me add that. Let me show you that. You see right there, 224. 2024 is the year. Another reason to invest in this, we've already started a new support with it. It is ascending. Get it now while it's low before it gets any higher. These are penny stocks, by the way. Stocks usually under $1, but some people say under $5. But usually penny stocks are under $1, definitely under $2. But it's subjective pretty much, depending upon what your income level is and with how you invest and things like that. Up next, we have Grab. GRAB on the NASDAQ. Grab is a ride-hailing company that is mainly in European countries. In Britain, ride-hailing company platform that saw 61% growth year over year, with the year ending in 2023, the calendar year ending in 2023. 61% growth from the previous year, from 2022. 61 is the 18th prime number. And it began ascending on the 18th day of the year on 18-date numerology. Now, if we calculate that, 18th, the 18th day of the year has 18-date numerology. And it began ascending on, it saw 61% growth, excuse me. 61 is the 18th prime number. Began ascending on the 18th day of the year on 18-day numerology. 1 plus 1 plus 8 plus 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 4 equals 18. And it also began uptrending on 19-date numerology. The 18th has 19-date numerology. January 18th equals 1 plus 18 equals 19. Grab equals 19. Let me show you that. And 19 is the 8th prime number. 19 is the 8th prime number. Why is that significant? Grab equals 18 in Chaldean, right here, which is ancient Babylonian gematria. Goes back to ancient Babylon, coding numbers into letters. And its volume increased by 0.08 percent. That started a new support. So let me show you that. Grab. And as you can see, it began uptrending on the 18th. New support began on the 17th, began uptrending on the 18th. 18 has 19-day numerology. 1 plus 18 equals 9. Grab equals 8. And it also started a new support, up 0.08%. As you can see right here, look at the top of your screen. 0.08%. It closed at $3 that day. Closed at $3 that day. Ever since then, it's been uptrending, and it's uptrending today as well on Monday the 29th. So keep that in mind. Get in on it now as the price continues to increase. I got in it on the 18th. Look to get in it right now. On the 18th, it closed at $3. Bought it a little bit less. I think I bought it at $2.99. Now it's up to $3.17. Hold on to it. You can trade it later. When it's facing turmoil, when it's volatile in the market, that is the time to invest. It is a strong buy for the next 12 months, according to many analysts. The grab. NASDAQ GRAB. Nokia is also making a comeback with 5G infrastructure networks and industrial automation technology. And if you remember, they were direct competitors to Apple. Back in the day, they've since sort of gotten out of that mobile phone market. NOK, NYSE on the stock exchange, NOK. Let's go to that right now. All right. Hit support bounce on 122, January 22nd. A day with 23 date numerology. 1 plus 22 equals 23. Nokia equals 23. Let me show you that. As you can see, Monday the 22nd, it bounced. Been on the upward trend ever since. And look at it now. Closed on Wednesday the 24th, which was its last low, at 341. Now it is up to 382 as of Monday the 29th. And it will steadily increase, as you can see right here. It hit a new support. It bounced upwards, uptrending. 122 on January 22nd. 23 date numerology. 1 plus 22. Nokia equals 23. Nokia equals 23 in the most reduced cipher. That is the most critical number you need to know, is this blue one, because it's the most reduced. Single reduction is just when you reduce the S once. Full reduction is when you reduce the S twice. It has no S, so you don't need to worry about that. That's why the numbers are the same. NYSE nickname is Nokia. Stock exchange nickname Nokia, NOK. NOK equals 13. It hits support into uptrend on 13-date numerology. 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 4 equals 13. That is 13-date numerology. And of course, NOK equals 13 in the most reduced cipher. 41, the 13th prime number. Keep that in mind. Alright, due to a projected setback for the free cash flow from the 23-24 year, this is still with Nokia. The market valuation for Nokia is dirt cheap right now and expected to surge in the fiscal year 24 as 5G broadens its scope and automation technology is only going to grow, especially with AI and internet security and IoT technologies like the Internet of Things technology. That's what that stands for. And number 4, we're going to conclude with this one. As I said, if you want all 7, get my Patreon link. It is in the description. Sensonomics. Amex is SENS. We go back. I'm not logged in, that's why it keeps coming up. SENS. Sensonomics Holdings. SENS on the stock exchange, on the Amex, that is, not the stock exchange, the Amex. MedTech company that creates glucose monitoring products. That's what they are. Highest valuation was on, once again, January 22nd, 13-date numerology. 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 4. January 22nd, 2024 equals 13. Sensonomics equals 41, the 13th prime number. And while the market is down, get it now. You could always sell it later, but wait for it to bounce higher. Wait for it to uptrend. And let me show you the where it is going right now. As you can see, it hit a support through here, across this bottom section here, at just under 50 cents. They hit the just above that on the 17th here. As you can see right here, it has been somewhat on an uptrend since. Get it right now, it's only 53 cents. Buy now, sell later. It could easily go over probably the 70 cent barrier by March. Do your date numerologies. Date numerologies are critical when doing these. That's why I focus on it so much when doing the stocks, when doing the market valuations and the volatility of the market. Always calculate your date numerologies in connection with the names and the nicknames of the companies that are on the stock exchange. It works like clockwork, especially with crypto. Also, I will be doing a crypto video soon. Stay tuned for that. We're getting more aggressive with this, as well as also if you're into sports or topics like that, we do that as well. We decode that, and we will be doing NBA more. We went 5-1 in the NFL yesterday. With the only one we didn't get was the under for the Kansas City Baltimore game. Everything else we got right. Kansas City spread, Kansas City money line, Detroit spread, San Francisco money line, and the over in that game. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. We also hit two or three parlays yesterday. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. You guys pray every day. I've been Scott. Take care.